Learn about making money online with this video. Do you know people who make money online? Do you wonder how they do it? If so, you are not alone. Lots of people are trying to figure out how to make the most of their online activity. This video will provide some excellent suggestions to help you begin your online endeavors. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big-name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. You can be among those who profit from working online. Use the ideas that were just presented to you. Soon, you will discover that you are able to make a steady income. Start with the suggestions that are the easiest and build your way up to working on all kinds of tasks. Student loan,